Hi viewers, sorry, welcome to my YouTube channel Samiola Khan 92. Today our topic is about Westinghouse error code H3. So we will discuss this error code today in our video. Let's start our video. So we discuss in this video why this error code H3 coming. H3 errors can occur when the unit operate at high temperature environments with high humidity. This is the one of the reason of H3 error. So please check and make sure that the room temperature is below 90 degree Fahrenheit. Also make sure to check and verify that the filters, exhaust doors and air inputs are clean and free from obstructions. These are the basic reasons. So we discuss other main reasons why this error occurs. H3 error occurs because of a compressor is overheating. Maybe your compressor is overheating, that's why this error occur. Here is question arises, what are the reasons of compressor overheating? So we will discuss these all, why the compressor is overheating. First reason is that maybe your capacitor is faulty or weak, so you must check your capacitor it's working okay or not. Another reason maybe you charge the freon, more freon you charge in the unit, that's why the compressor get heats. Or another reason maybe the compressor winding is weak, you can check by multimeter the winding is okay or not. And maybe your condenser fan motor is not working. This is also one of the reason why this AC is overheating and H3 is coming. And now I am telling you what fault I found on the site. Condenser fan motor wires are burned due to loose connection. After fix that, AC is running normal now. So this is the fault I got on the site. All reasons behind H3 error I tell you in this video. So if this happened to you, you check all these points and fix the error. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.